Welcome to Camp at Home, a production of Alliance Redwoods in beautiful Sonoma County, California. I'm Emma, a naturalist with the Outdoor Education program here, coming to you with a challenge activity. Today we're going to try some experiments with luminescence. You may have heard about or even observed the glowing water in Southern California. This effect is in fact produced by organisms called dinoflagellates in the water. Dinoflagellates are bioluminescent creatures that release flashes of light in order to surprise and distract predators. When pressure is applied to their bodies, say by a wave or a boat, they react like a predator is about to eat them and give off a glow. Bioluminescence is a natural production of light by chemical reactions within the organism. Other creatures may do this to attract prey or mates. Fireflies also bioluminesce, a little like a glow stick works. You might notice that they glow brighter in hotter weather. Glow sticks do this too, because they work by a chemical reaction, which is technically called chemiluminescence. Try an experiment next time you have glow sticks. Stick one in very cold water for a while, and one in a hot glass of water. You'll see that the temperature makes a difference in the rate of chemical reaction, and in turn, the luminescence of the glow. Plants and fungi can also luminesce. In fungi, it is natural. In plants, it is bioengineered. But just like sea creatures, they give off light without any help. Many lichens are fluorescent. This is due to chlorophyll A and other compounds. Fluorescent is the emission of light by a substance that has absorbed light or other electromagnetic radiation. It is a form of luminescence in which the emitted light has a longer wavelength and therefore lower energy than the absorbed radiation. You may also find fluorescent lichen, which glows when they're moist, and creepy crawlies like millipedes and scorpions about. You'll need a UV blacklight to see these lichens and creepies outside, or you can do a fun experiment inside. I'll get back to those experiments in just a minute. First, let's explore outside for a bit. There are a lot of other cool luminescent things around. We didn't even mention glow-in-the-dark stuff, which is phosphorescent. Typical charge it up and glows in the dark stuff, unlike with fluorescence. In phosphorescence, the electron remains stable, emitting light and continuing to glow in the dark even after the stimulating light source has been removed. Glow-in-the-dark stickers are phosphorescence, but there are no truly phosphorescent animals known. Now here's some experiments you can try at home. Try a black light on detergent with lightening agents like liquid Tide. You can write secret messages using this detergent ink and give them to your friends or siblings. They'll just need a black light too so they can read them. Quartz rocks can actually exhibit two types of luminescence other than fluorescence, which is also common in some types of rocks. If you were able to compress a piece of quartz-type rock, it would give off light by piezoluminescence. This sometimes also happens when heated and the molecules start to vibrate just before the rock shatters. If you could rub two pieces of quartz together, you'll get triboluminescence from the friction created between them. I have two cool experiments you could try at home with sugar. Everyone likes sugar, right? If not, that's okay. Only one of these experiments involves your mouth. Sugar experiment number 1. Get a sugar cube and some loose sugar, a plate and a glass with a clear bottom, and a very dark room, I mean pitch black. First, you're going to place the sugar cube on the plate with the loose sugar underneath of it. Practice grinding and crushing the sugar cube with the glass in the light before you turn the light off. Now turn off the light and sit for about 10 minutes in the darkness to let your eyes adjust. Try crushing a new sugar cube the way you did before and look for a blue glow. You can also try this with self-sealing envelopes or duct tape. You'll stick the parts together and then try ripping them apart in the darkness, looking for the glow. This might take a bit of practice. Sugar cube experiment number 2, Wint-O-Green Lifesavers. This one you'll need a mirror or a partner. You'll want to grin super huge so you can see inside your mouth in your reflection, or your partner can see in. Then bite down on the lifesaver with your back teeth. If you're lucky, you'll see bright sparks like lightning. Again, your eyes have to be used to the dark for this, so be sure to acclimate them for at least 10 minutes before you start the show. Well, that's it for now. Bye from all your friends at Alliance Redwoods. Go out and explore your backyard, and we'll see you again later.